guys, this is Dasuri of the Succulent Therapy and we're back again with another video. Today we're going to unbox some plants that will be added to our collection. It's already past 8 in the morning out here, but it is still cold. That's the thing that we experience here in Benguet during the months of December until March. We get so cold out here to the extent that we experience the frost. I uploaded some of the pictures on my Facebook account, but I thought that you might want to see some of those pictures. So here are they. These photos were taken in a different part of Benguet. They are located mostly in Mankayan, Atok, and Bugyas. In there, it gets so cold, down to 5 degrees. Mostly, this frost does not happen here in Baguio. Instead, it happens in the province. For example, in the municipality of Mankayan, Bugyas, something like that. So if we are to go home, we experience those colds. And I remember when we were young, we used to walk on those frost, and it's really cold. So moving on, I just told some stories. So moving on, we're gonna go see this box. Here we are. Let's go. Alright, so here is the box, or the this is not actually unboxing, it is unwrapping actually, but we'll go ahead and open this plastic bag. The reason that it is like this, the packaging is like this, is because I live in Baguio and most of my collections, they came from Bugyas or in Atok. Mostly those, when you travel those places, it can take you 2 to 3 hours. That's why it's just close. Okay, so let's go ahead and unwrap these things. Oh, and I have my name on it. I'll take that off. Okay, so here we go. Our first plant, we have, oh, it looks like a Hercules, but I think this is an Orion. You can see the upright leaves in there. That's great. You can see those tip right there, and it has babies. Yeah, it's really great. Closer look. Okay, we put that in there and we move on to the next one. Right here, wow, this is so beautiful. It's like blue, and the name of this one is Blue Surprise. So when it is stressed, you can see the pink blush right there, and also it's white on the middle. But on these outer leaves, these are the older ones, they can get really bluish like, and this is really great. It gets big also, and this is really good for, it's really beautiful. I like it. This is once again the Blue Surprise. Next one, we have the Monroe, I believe. This is Monroe. I have the pink ones. This is the normal Monroe. This is the white one, I think. Yes, right there. Yeah, I think I posted the photo of this orange Monroe. This one, and it is a lot different from this one because this is white, but I like it. Those farina is so striking, really. And it has edges also. Next one. This is the Desmantia. Oh, it's so big. Look at the size of it. Oh, it's not clear. Sorry. There. It's big. Look at those farina in there. It's really beautiful. Oh, see, you could see that the seller had sprayed some of a anti-fungal disease. Yeah, those ones, those yellow. You can see right there, so that your plant will be protected. There are some dried leaves also, so we can clean that up later. But look at that, so beautiful. The farina is perfect also. Okay, moving on. The next one. Ooh, this is the Benbadis. Usually when you see this on K-pop succulents, when you see this on sale, you can see that these tips are more on red. However, I believe this is a local propagation, that is why it is more of a green. But hopefully we can work on that. We can change the watering and also the sun that we could give in order to hopefully the appearance will change. But overall, this is really beautiful, and it is also healthy. It's green, but it's really beautiful. And speaking of green, we have our greenovia right here. Yes, they are green, but indeed beautiful. Someone might have this one on a bigger size. We have the other varieties, the Korean succulents, like the big ones, and they are really pricey. We can go on with that later on, but I can see that this one is really beautiful. You can see those rose type leaf in there, and some babies, and you can see right there, if you could, this is still a baby. Doesn't have some nice trunk on it, but it's okay, we can work on that. And the next one, not last, next one is the Lola. This is really pricey when it gets big, that's why I chose to get the smaller ones, and then I ought to make it take good care of it in order for it to get bigger. As you can see, starting to outgrow its pot. That's really beautiful. This Lola, you can see in here, it has a tinge of violet or purple on the edges or in the outer leaf, while in here on the inner leaf, it has some good white or some orange on it. Yes, that's great. Some other plantitas and plantitas confuse this one with lilacina. And the one way that you can differentiate them from lilacina is more of a white that is so pointy. I'll show you the picture. Okay, so this is the Lola, and this is the lilacina. Okay, next one, or the last one. This is the blue elf, I believe. You can see right there that it is stressed. It has some good tip on it. Really great color. And that's pretty much it for this box. I just put them back in there so that we will have a good look on what they look like, and we will go over their identifications or their varieties. Let's begin with this one right here. This is a Monroe, Echeveria Monroe. This is an Echeveria Lola, Echeveria Blue Surprise, Echeveria Dysmentia. This is some Grenovia. This is an Orion. It is an Blue Elf, and finally the Ben Baddies. Once again, if you want to purchase from this seller, I'll go ahead and link the name down the description below. And as for my review for her plants, it is really beautiful. They are in good size. They are really healthy, and they are sprayed with the antifungal infection. Right there, as you can see, the white stains in there. That is really good. And as for the plants, they are really colorful, and it is worth it. It's worth it for their price. Well, that's it for today's video. Tomorrow, however, we will discuss some of the things that you can do when you are repotting or when you just receive some new plants to add up to your garden. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!